Property Perspectives by Sari is presented by CaliforniaVibes.net, finding distinctive homes for exceptional people.
It is Tuesday, which means it's time for Property Perspectives, addressing all things real estate. So back again with practical advice is real estate and finance expert Sari Harner of California Vibes. Welcome back, Sari.
Thank you. Great to see you, Thalia.
Good to see you. Today we're talking contractors, or if you should do it yourself. And if you do decide to hire a contractor, how do you know you're getting a trustworthy one?
Exactly. Well, being a homeowner, we all know that there are things to fix, little things, and then there are the projects that we think we can do without a contractor. And so I am here to discuss some of those things for all the die-hard Bob Villa fans out there, okay?
Yes, yes.
So basically what it is that, for instance, you want to remodel your bathroom or your kitchen, right? It's great. We put it on paper and we're going to say, this is our new layout. On paper, it looks great, but in reality, there's a lot of challenges you're going to face.
Okay.
You're going to have to maybe move the plumbing because you want the sink on the other wall. You're going to move the toilet to a different side. You also have electrical. Maybe you want to change all of the fixtures in the bathroom. So that is one thing, because you have electrical stacks you have to worry about. Then you have, when you start pulling things off, people find things, and you might find dry rot. And that's not good. You have to cut out that dry rot. And then you have plumbing issues, especially in a bathroom. There might be a leak. Or they might have used, if you have a home from the 70s, they might have used galvanized plumbing.
Wow.
And they have discontinued that because it was cheap, but it was very ineffective.
Okay.
So you have to change that and upgrade that as well. And finally, in the bathroom, venting. This can be a very smelly issue. So what you want to make sure is go to code and make sure your vent goes up and out through the roof, not into your attic, because then you might have moisture and black mold, which is another headache we don't even want to discuss.
So venting, plumbing, electrical, these are all things we shouldn't mess around with ourselves. We hire a professional.
You want to hire a professional.
But how do you know you're getting a trustworthy professional?
Well, okay.
I mean, if you don't know...
Hiring a contractor is the big $64,000 question, okay? You start with friends, family, and neighbors. Who's had a really, really successful remodel? But that's only the beginning of your homework. The internet, you start looking them up. Do they have a good website? Can you find projects that they have done? Okay,
similar to the one you need.
and successfully finish it? Then I would look at reviews, because reviews are genuinely important, and everyone has an opinion, and you can weed out Aunt Sally who loves you and says he's a great guy,
right,
from the real, genuine, happy, homeowners who have had that successful remodel.
Yes.
Make sure they have a license. Call the contractor board. You want a licensed realtor.
Okay.
Then get 3 estimates. Get 3 different people to come, bid your job, and they should all really be within the same price range. If someone is absurdly low, there's something wrong. I would take that as a red flag.
Okay.
Okay.
Sari, I'm so glad you come back every week, because there's so much more to explore, so many more questions. But for now, where can people get in touch with you?
Well, go to CaliforniaVibes.net and please reach out. You can absolutely tell me what you want to hear, because real estate should be fulfilling, profitable, and fun.
And with you it is.
Well, thank you. I look forward till next Tuesday.
Yes, Sari Harner, thank you so much. And we'll see you next week.
Okay, thanks.
We'll be right back.